Water softeners are the ultimate saviors to all hard water problems. White spots on dishes. Soaps not lathering. Bitter water taste. But how do they work? It's all about ion exchange. Sounds fancy, but trust me, it's simple. Water softeners have two main parts: resin tank and the brine tank. When hard water enters the softener, it flows into the resin tank, which is filled with these tiny resin beads that are negatively charged. These beads attract the positively charged calcium and magnesium ions found in hard water. As the water passes through, these hard minerals stick to the beads, leaving behind water that's way softer and easier on your appliances. But here's the twist. For every calcium or magnesium ion captured, a sodium ion is released into the water. This swap happens because sodium also carries a positive charge, balancing everything out. So, by the time the water exits the tank, it's free of hardness minerals and ready for use. Over time, the resin beads get full of hard minerals and need a reset. That's where regeneration comes in. It's a cleaning cycle where the system flushes out the calcium and magnesium and refills the beads with sodium. This keeps the softener working efficiently. To regenerate, a water softener pulls a concentrated salt water solution from the brine tank and runs it through the resin beads. This process typically lasts 2 to 3 hours. Water softeners are the only permanent solution to hard water problems. However, it was not until the 1930s that Emmett Culligan introduced the first practical domestic water softener based on ion exchange. Hard water has been a hassle for centuries. Earlier, people tried boiling it to reduce it, but this was only a temporary solution. Then, in 1841, Scottish chemist Thomas Clark introduced lime softening by adding calcium hydroxide to remove calcium and magnesium. This method was effective but messy, producing tons of sludge. Later, in the mid-1800s, English chemists Harry Thompson and John Way discovered ion exchange in soil, where calcium ions could be swapped for ammonium. This breakthrough set the stage for modern water softening. By the early 20th century, ion exchange methods using natural zeolites were applied for industrial purposes. In the 1930s, the development of synthetic resins enabled the exchange of calcium and magnesium with sodium ions, making the process more efficient. Emmett Culligan popularized these systems for homes, turning water softeners into a household necessity by the mid-20th century. Today, we know how essential water softeners are. The Environment Protection Agency recommends them to deal with high water hardness. Other alternatives, like water conditioners, only condition hard water to remove scales. They don't address other problems like soaps not lathering. Softeners also extend the life of other appliances and boost their efficiency. Pretty cool, right? That said, there's some debate about whether water softeners are safe for septic systems. If you're curious, check this video for a research-backed guide with actionable steps.